All right, we're back here at Moment Machine, and we're working on the Better 312. I know it's been a while, but anyway, this video is going to be short, kind of sweet, but I think it's informative and it will help you. This is important things to remember before you put the heads on. So there's a couple things here. Number one, valley cover. Okay. So many people forget this. We've done it too. I know that they have these clearance marks or notches in them, and you're supposed to be able to get the valley covers off with the heads on, but it just never quite seems to work that way. We have taken these aluminum ones and put them in the mill and milled them back, and or we've taken some of the steel ones too, but usually by the time you get one of these things to where you could get it off with the heads on, there's very little sealing surface. So we've showed you a bunch of our gasket tricks, so probably by this point most of you guys have decided, you know, what you want to do or how you want to prep the gasket, so I'll leave that up to you. The second thing, and this is super important, is check your timing pointer. Okay, this is the time when you know, just like balancing the degree wheel for a cam, you know, you bolt the timing pointer on, and then you take the piston 50 down in the hole with a dial indicator, check your reading. On this particular engine, it's about 11 degrees, so positive 11, and then around the 349 mark. That's how we're balancing this out. But it, you know, when you go to start shooting your timing, and the reason is too, is if you're using an aftermarket damper, it's always good, you know, to make sure that the marks are right. This one was real close. We just had to, if you're using a stock one, you definitely want to check those because they're just known for slipping, you know, having the old rubber get hard and the damper slips. So when you have the heads off, it's always good to check this timing mark location. Third thing is that you can, while you have the valley cover off, you know, you can check and see how your distributor is seating down on the block. The factory ones, the gear will ride on the block. The MSDs typically don't. They typically leave them, the gears, high because their gears are not broached deep enough. And if they were to set the gear down lower, we've seen the base of the distributor gear actually rubbing on the top of the cam gear. So I personally think all the MSD gears are set a little high. Because the teeth aren't broached deep enough. But anyway, that's it. You know, we just wanted to get this in here. We're getting ready to put the heads on and start putting the top end on, finishing it off. But these are just a couple important steps that it's so easy to miss. And if you don't check these things before you get the heads on, a lot of people don't want to take them back off. You know, they're going, hey, I just want to keep moving forward, I'll deal with it later. It's always harder to deal with that stuff later. So anyway, for John, Jeff, Mummer Y Block, hit like, subscribe, go to the website, tell your friends. See ya.